Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is just a quick video. As you guys know, I have a Patreon account, and every month I do a giveaway where I give away 10 Hot Wheels cars, and I give away one of my customs. And I've been doing this pretty much all year. I just started in January, and I usually don't post the videos, but it was suggested to me by quite a few people that I should, because it does help promote my Patreon page. As you can see, I have 3 tiers, so obviously with each tier comes different benefits. The benefits also include part of this giveaway, which includes how many entries you get per tier. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check it out. It's not a big deal either way, but that's what it is. So let's get into the giveaway. I have a random name picker. So the first thing we're going to give away is the 10 cars. Put it in here, and this just generates a random name. It's actually a pretty slick system, and the winner is Jason Leone. Jason, make sure you contact me. It could be through private message or on Patreon, that's fine. So now I'm going to be giving away one of my customs. I'm giving away this Monte Carlo, which I did for one of the custom challenges. So the winner of this is William Robinson, which I already owe him a ton of stuff that he sent to me that I haven't done yet. So this will just hopefully sweeten the pot for me being so late. I apologize, William. I will get those to you. You don't have to contact me. I have your address. So again, quick video. Thank you, and I will catch you on the next one.